or we can mix with water grass when we chop in a little bit pot. Yeah, or the banana plant. Yeah, we cut in the little pot, and then we mix with the rice powder. Yeah, to feed the cows or chicken or pigs like that.
So you can use everything.
Yeah. Also with the plant, when we break all the rice out, now we just have the straw. For this type of straw, with the sticky rice, the plant is much longer. So we can use this one to knit together to make a sweeper. Yeah.
Broom.
Yeah. Also the other way, we can use this one to like make the roof of the house in the past of Vietnam. Like we need also together. Yeah, to make the roof. Get all the rain out. Right? The other way, we dry it to make the mushroom, or shave at home until the winter and feed the cows or buffaloes. Many ways. Yeah. Or somewhere else, you can see they will burn on the rice straw on the field directly to get the ash for making the fertilizer. So everything we can use together. One more way, that in the south of Vietnam, we cut the rice plant a little bit shorter. So they will break it and turn on the soil directly in the field. They don't have to burn it. So for the time and the water can break it out. So make the fertilizer. There's many ways to do it.
Yeah, many years it's developed. It's still hard labor, hard work.
Very hard because all Vietnamese still have to work with hands like that.
Manual.
Yeah. Just use the sickle to cut the rice and then carry on the shoulder.
In the U.S., never by hand. It would be all machine. No, it would be so expensive in our country.
Expensive also, like I told you about the custom with Vietnamese before. We divide all the rice field in little part already, and we just make a rank in the field. So we cannot use the machine because we can break all the rank of the field. And for the little field here, it's need to pay a real high cost for using the machine. So the farmer cannot deal with that. Because you see the land is worse than before, so people have to use more chemical fertilizer. Thus they have to pay a big amount for that. It's really difficult for farmers here.
Yeah. Look at those jackies. You see these
Chọn coi là chị
people
đúng không?
out there pulling that.
Carrying with the mat.
Mỏi phải vai.
It's hard work.
Mẹ đúng không? So for Vietnamese, when we have harvesting the rice, we have to break all the plant, and then we get the grain. And when we dry it already, we have two times to break the skin. The first time we break the hard skin outside, the yellow one. Yeah, for this one, the farmer can shave to get the rice here, and we eat ourselves. Because for this one, the thinner skin still have a lot of the protein. Yeah, so we don't have to wet it. Yeah, just for exporting, we need the rice is whiter. So we have to break one more time to get the thinner skin out. So now you can see the white rice inside. When it's dry, it has to be much whiter. That's the reason why we have to break it and grind it in the machine to get the whiter rice. Yeah. So for the rice in Vietnamese, when we break two times already, the second time we get the thinner skin. This could be the very little powder, and with that powder we can feed the pig or the cow.
Excellent.
This is the machine Vietnamese farmers use for breaking the rice after harvesting. So this is the hole for pushing the rice plant in, and you see all the wings here with the motor. So when we start using this, it's been turning around to break on the rice in. And then you see this is the small screen to drop all the grain down, and the other way Like this also like the fan can throw all the plants away by that way. Then when you're getting down to the screen, have 4 times screening and the big fan down here. So with all the screen here, it can get all the grain down by this way, and then it pushes down, right? And for the fan, it can throw all the straw left through this way. For the straw, little straw, and for the bigger straw, by this way. For the first screen, yeah, and the second screen, the fourth one down there, yeah. So they will screen one more time by hand totally to get all the grain left, but this is not very good quality. Screen one more time, but this is not very good quality, so they can use for feeding the pig or feed, right? Just a little one like this, right? And for the good one, all will be trained and get through that way. You can see now all the grain is down here. It's good quality. Yeah, that's good one. Fence for about 5 more minutes, and they're bringing it to the other family up there. We'll see how it's working.
Thôi đi.
For the fan on that side, we can throw on the big small straw out by this way with the screen. One more big fan and rolling machine can throw all the big straw out by that way. You can see. So the pushing, rolling, breaking, throwing the big straw out. You can see. Green down here, get the green down